Today we're at Disney Springs. We are going to go to the Polite Pig, which is a barbecue restaurant here. We've been here multiple times to the Polite Pig, but have never filmed it. So we thought we would add it to the list. It's not like a reservation style restaurant. It's more of like a quick service where you can like wait in line, order at the counter, sit down, and they'll bring it to you. So we'll do the best at showing the menu, but looking forward to it because it's been a while since we've been here. Let's go check it out. We are currently in surface level parking. However, there is a parking garage right next to the Polite Pig. We'll show you when we get over that way. Parking garages can be a little tricky here if they're full because it's kind of hard to get in and out of them. But if you don't want to walk as far as surface level, feel free to park in the parking garage that's right next to it. Right here by House of Blues, take a right. It's a little bit of a walk from surface level parking because Polite Pig's kind of like right in the middle of everything. Decent crowd level. It's about 3:30 on a Friday. Walk past the AMC and Summer House, which we have shown plenty of times. The best way to get there is to go by Planet Hollywood. Here's Planet Hollywood. Here's the Coca-Cola store. Now you do have the orange garage, which is closer than the surface level parking, but not the closest. The garage that's the closest to Polite Pig is going to be Lime. And we're now not too far away from the Polite Pig. I have no idea what we're gonna get. Try a couple different things. I think they have banana pudding. If so, might get some of that. Like I said, it's been a little bit since we've been back, but we have been here several times. You can kind of see the top of it over here. We've got Ron John Surf Shop, and it's just on past that. So, oh, there you can see kind of the red sign down there at the very end. Right down there by the umbrellas. Here we have the Love Pop Ron John Surf Shop. It's right across from Uniqlo. Hopefully it's not too crowded. Sometimes it can be very crowded here. With there being no reservations, it can fill up quickly. And also there's a big fountain in front, but right here's the Lime Garage. So if you park at the Lime Garage, all you have to do is come down the escalator or stairs and you're literally right by the Polite Pig. And you're gonna wait right here. You've got modern barbecue, handcrafted taps, bourbon bar. So oh, look at this. It's a Michelin Guide 2026. Polite Pig. To claim a table, order here first. So he said, just go ahead over here, order, and then you can sit wherever we would like. We've got a menu we'll look at, but they do have menus here and they give you a physical menu. We've got shareables, salads, just for kids, and some beers. I think we've gotten the flight before. Cocktails over on the right hand side, beer, cider, seltzer, wine, frozen mocktails and beverages, Coca-Cola products. And then let's go right here in the middle. We've got sandwiches and from the smoker, served with a pickle spear, jalapeno cornbread. There's the butcher board for 2 people. Desserts, they've got bourbon chocolate chip cookie, bread pudding. I thought they had banana pudding. Over here, market sides, tomato and watermelon salad. And then there's that. And then on the back, discover good beer with good friends. There's a beer flight, a whiskey flight, and then you have the bourbon bar. There you go. They've got some water you can fill up over here, and then also the chicken tenders and pork belly. They've got some shirts and some hoodies over here. I don't know if you can buy some more of this or if it's just a display, but look at that meat they're prepping. We're actually going to do this butcher board for 2 people, which is $46. Comes with 2 sides. Let's see, sides are all of these. You might want the tomato and watermelon salad.
I don't know. I'm thinking the southern potato salad, maybe.
And beans?
Sure.
There you go, right here. And then you just wait in line, which I'm glad we got here when we did. Look at the wait. Order here, pick a table. You can fill up your drinks over there at the end. You can sit at the bar, or you can even sit outside right here if you wanted to. Now, up on their actual menu, they've got a little bit more options. So they've got other desserts, including banana pudding, and also blueberry bread pudding. We're both going to get a couple drinks, probably a dessert, and then I don't know if they have an annual pass holder discount here or not. I didn't realize they've got the little recognition, the smaller one here, but 2024, 2025, and 2026. That's impressive. As with all these menus, I would recommend looking at Disney's website because now we saw the extra desserts. There might be some extra. There's an extra salad on here. So I would just recommend checking online. They've got the bacon, cookies, and then look at this little thing here. You get a timer here. 32, that was my number in basketball. Nice. And then you can get your own sauces. Here are the sauces: black pepper, sweet sauce, Southern Gold, and barbecue ranch. So we will try one of each. And oh, there's more. Hold on here. Ketchup. Oh, just ketchup, mayo, and hot sauce. It's a nice bar they've got in here. And if you want the little pig souvenir cup, it's a 24 ounce. You can buy a drink, keep the cup. $24. So here we have it. Timber found a table. For drinks, you've got the Coca-Cola and sweet and unsweet. And then in the back, they've got restrooms. Over here in this section, you can look at them making the food. And I forgot banana pudding. I didn't realize you could actually order more food at your table, and I waited in line to get banana pudding. You can actually just order it at your table. They brought the food, price for everything. So prior to the banana pudding, it was like $50-ish. You do get a 10% annual pass holder discount. And then after the banana pudding, which was like $8, 10% discount, total price would have been like $58-ish. And here's a look at everything that comes on this platter: cornbread, beans, onions, the meat. Get to try a little bit of everything, honestly. And then Timber hooked me up with all these sauces. Do you know which one's which? Ranch, the gold, sweet, black pepper, and some half and half tea. I think we're just gonna dig in and periodically update on how everything is. I'll go through trying the sauces first. So let's actually do that right now. Oh, potato salad. Dang, I'm excited for that. We'll try the black pepper first. There's a kick on that. The sweet. So the black pepper's strong black pepper, like a little bit of a spice to it. The sweet is very sweet. Obviously the gold is mustard based. Ooh, gold is. And then the ranch. I would say, man, they're all solid sauces. Probably sweet, just because I like the sweet sauce the best, but gold's up there, and then the ranch and black pepper are probably tied. Yeah, believe it or not, that's good potato salad. I think we both didn't know what to expect, and it's hard to find good potato salad. That's good. Timber did pretty good at the half and half tea. And they just brought the banana pudding. Check that out. Nilla wafers. If I recall last time, I mean, there's a potential for stinking good. I'll have to try it, but it was very good. So I'm gonna dig in here. I tried the pulled pork, and it was good. I'm gonna dump some sauce on all this and just start digging in. As of now, I have no complaint with the meats. Sausage is spicy though, just know that. And all of these sauces are good, like every single one of them. Have to try the chicken here shortly. Got the beans and coleslaw. Cornbread, you tried the cornbread already? Good? I think out of all the meats, I'm gonna say maybe the pulled pork's my favorite. And then out of all the sauces, the sweet. But man, the gold is right there. The gold is so good. Gotta try the beans next. And I can't wait for the banana pudding. Here's the beans. I like the little crunchy pieces on top. Those are great beans. More of like a sweeter type of style of barbecue baked beans. And then the cornbread. Was it spicy?
No, not the bite that I had.
It's like a sweet cornbread and not spicy at all. So everything has been great so far. I'm gonna keep working on these meats. I guess try the coleslaw here with my left hand. Standard coleslaw. I will say if you want to try a little bit of everything, I would recommend this plate that we got for two, the whatever it was, like this butcher's plate, which is basically the sampler. I would recommend it. The ranch is delicious with the sausage. That's a good combo right there. I'm actually kind of torn because I think my two favorite things are the pulled pork and the sausage, but the sausage just keeps like getting better. It's spicy, but if you get past the spice, I love it. So this is an excellent deal here to get at the Polite Pig. I'm getting ready to get the banana pudding. Seriously, that's the way to go with the platter. And I mean, plenty to share. Comment below who loves banana pudding and who does not. Timber's not much of a fan. I love it. She said she'll eat the vanilla wafers over here, but if I recall, this is excellent. Should be for $8. And also what I was going to say earlier is I believe we've had their mac and cheese and it's good. Now, the staff in here, they're actual servers. Like they will come, fill your drink up, take your trash. If you needed to order anything, they'll do that. So just know that they are like actual servers. It's not just a seat yourself and you're on your own. They'll help you out. They'll get you sauces. Time for the banana pudding. So I don't know if I maybe just got a bad batch, but that's not what I remember banana pudding tasting like. It almost tastes like there's 0% sugar in there. So I don't know if they forgot to put sugar and Laffy Taffy banana flavor. I knew it, doesn't it? It tastes like a banana Laffy Taffy with no sugar. So it's almost just like a whipped banana pudding that tastes like the Laffy Taffy. Well, I'm not going to let the dessert take away from how good this spot is here at Disney Springs. Right now, the line is almost out the door. And it's, what time is it? 4:53. So just know on a Friday after work, around 5 o'clock, it gets packed. Banana pudding was a bust. Some people may like it. I prefer mine to be a little bit more old-fashioned banana pudding. However, the meat platter that we had, the sampler, whatever you want to call it, was top-notch and it was great. I forgot about this spot being a top, like, quick service restaurant here at Disney Springs, and sure enough, it is. I loved it. Let me show you how crowded it is. I mean, there's barely any tables left. The lighting's harsh over there, so I apologize, but and just know, because this was kind of confusing for us and other people, when you actually order up front, the reserved tables are for you. Like, they're not reserved for a special party. They're reserved for those who order at the counter so that people from Disney Springs won't just walk in, not order, and sit down and take a seat in the air condition. Just know any table that says reserved is for someone that orders at the counter. As we are heading out, you'll be able to see, like, there's hardly any tables left. And look at the line. And some outdoor seating. And the bar's outdoor also. Cool. Now, if you want to sit outside, there is a host stand over here that maybe you actually sit and get, like, take your order, and she's got a little, like, handheld device up there, but we've always just been inside. That was our trip out to the Polite Pig here at Disney Springs. I had forgotten how good it really is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's quality barbecue.
What was your favorite sauce?
I went between the gold and the sweet.
Yep. Favorite meat?
Probably the brisket or the pulled pork.
Favorite side?
Potato salad.
Did you like the dessert?
No.
Yeah.
The vanilla wafers I did.
I would say Nilla wafers better than the banana pudding, but overall a very solid spot here at Disney Springs. Would highly recommend coming and checking it out. It gets busy though, know that. And actually there's some seating over here now that I'm looking at it across the road there that you can sit at, and it looks like people will come over and wait on you. But there you have it, the little Michelin award, 3 years straight, and would highly recommend this one. You get a discount. It's very, very good.
Yeah.
With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.